हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग। टुडे हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे इंडियन नेशनल साइंस एकेडमी दैट दे अनाउंस summer internship or kind of for international student. So one by one we discuss and how much they will fellowship and which country will apply for this fellowship. So every step we will step by step we are discuss it along with we also discuss like that how to approach for the Indian academic and scientific institute to under this fellowship. So so this is the notification they announced under DST, Department of Science and Technology, uh, Government of India. So this Indian Science and Research Fellowship 2025-6 is announced for Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Maldives, Myanmar, Nepal, and Sri Lanka, and Thailand. So who are students from that countries, they can only apply. This is only for the international students for this 7 8 countries. So last date of proposal submission 31st March 2026. So that is the last date for this proposal. So the application are invited from researchers who are actively involved in research activity holding permanent position in Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Maldives, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, and Thailand that already we discussed. Visit India under the Indian Science and Research Fellowship Program to pursue research in frontier and advanced research for science, including medicine and agriculture, including science along with medicines and agriculture. So, for example, someone have the permanent position in medicine and a doctor like that, or he want to do internship in India for 3 to 6 months, then he can join any Indian institute like that, AIMS, ICMR, so that better communication and better learning for that advanced research in India like that. So, in agriculture also, there are agriculture universities and agriculture institute in India. Anyone interested, they can join this period like that for 3 to 6 months. So this program is funded by Department of Science and Technology, and that the Ministry of Science and Technology. So this is the funding agency for this program. So detailed brochure that include we will discuss one by one. In that website also available. So if you have any inquiry regarding this, you can contact a DST contact person, Dr. Charu Agarwal. So he is the scientist there in international division. So if you have any doubt, you can contact her directly. And if you want to contact INSA, then you can contact to Dr. Rajesh Pandey. So that is the exclusive director. So you can directly mail to him also. So so this is the complete brochure that we discussed one by one. So that already this map is there. So this is Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Thailand that already we discussed. So this country student and researcher can apply for this fellowship for research in India. So now one by one we can discuss here. Okay, so scope and duration of fellowship. So this is for 3 to 6 months. Then you can any premier institute in India like medical science and research laboratory, academic institute, everything like the IIT, ISRF, CSIR, CSIR, DST institute, you can apply and join this internship. Yeah, dissertation, yeah, like it 6 month in research fellowship in India. So that so up to 80 fellowship, 10 per country. So the what is the maximum number of applicant can apply for every country? Maximum 10 people the Indian INSA will select for that fellowship, and annually the fellowship application will be considered once a year by a selection committee. So once a year they will select in through selection committee. So that is the so what is the feature of this fellowship that enable to understand cutting edge research work in India, open to faculty, scientists and research in science, engineering and medicines, monthly sustained allowance or one time contingency grant also they will allow in a year around trip IFSC coming and going like that. Time and duration of the fellowship is minimum 3 to 6 month maximum. This is the not extensible, but this period you can to complete your work like that. So opening of the application form already that's open 31st December and now it's closing for 31st March 2026 for so you have 3 to 4 months to apply this fellowship. So who will eligible for this? This is main criteria. So applicant should be citizens, permanent residents of Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Maldives, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Thailand. The applicant should have the activity engaged in research at a university or research institute and their country in various areas. So whoever candidate want to apply, he be actively engaged with research activity in that university, their research institute, their own country. Then they can area of under science and technology, including engineering and medical, they can apply. So minimum qualifications for PhD, MTech, MSc, MBA with 3 to 5 year research or teaching experience. So at least you have PhD, MTech, MSc, MBBS with 3 to 5 year research experience, yeah, teaching experience, then you can apply. Applicant registered for PhD degree in home country may also apply. So for example, any researcher, they already applied for PhD degree in their own country and they're pursuing PhD, they all eligible for apply this fellowship. So applicants shall have permitted over any fellowship only once during a period of 5 years. Shall be so who are in the last next 5 year only this one time they will eligible for this internship. The age limit is 45 years. Applicant should possess a valid passport. So who are applicants need to valid passport is compulsory. Must not hold any visa for temporary or permanent resident visa. So this visa for temporary only. You can't hold permanent residency in India. So when you finish your summer internship, your visa will be over. So the fellowship allowance is 50,000 per month, which including accommodations and medical facilities is available to host institutes. So your monthly stipend 50,000 per month, which include accommodation and medical facility is available to host institute. The contingency grants to follow scientists. So 10,000 and so one-time contingency grant and contingency research grant for both scientists throughout institute is 20,000 is one time. The round of trip fare by economic class from place of employment in their own country to Indian hospital through our shortage routes, local transport by rail and rail between the Indian airport, hospital like that, they will everything fare after they will provide it. Visa will be reimbursement. So visa fees will be reimbursement from the applicant. So how to apply? That is the main point. So researchers, scientists actively in the research institute at the university and the research institute meeting the eligibility criteria should apply using prescribed format that already I download here. I will show later. And you can download also www.dst.government.in the website to respective implementing agency to in partner country in applicable inside and New Delhi. So if the respective implementing agency's partner country is not available, applicant may be submit as hard copy or scan copy with supporting document. Please see applicant form to INSA so that they already I discussed with hard copy to the following persons. So the exclude directly you can directly submit to their copy. The last date of application already we discussed in earlier is the 31st March. So after that your application deadline you can't submit any application. The selection procedure is the pre-screening application should be undertaken by the implementing agency in partner countries solely based on scientific merit and proposed contribution to the advanced research in the subject field. Final selection and first field decisions will be made by DST, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India through their implementing agency INSA. And notification of selections will be go through in that website of INSA and DST website. They can you will check and in that aspect to Indian embassy also you can try to contact them. The placement process as candidate required to find the date of fellowship joining the House Institute of Scientists. The selection candidate will be used by visa by Indian mission in their country. So that is the um, permanent process like that. So and all obligation of the fellow and intern research like that. This can you can read if you want and. So that is from about our side. So if you have any doubt, I already discussed, you can directly mail to us. So now we discuss for application form. That is the application form now. So first your name, date of birth, father, mother, institute name that you can mention, passport details, everything you can mention, and academic qualification you can mention here and academic hours if you have any got award you can mention here writing reading speaking that what you have eligibility you can put here that employment details name of the address of employee temporary permanent position from there to there you can current research activity area of research you can mention your number of paper publication you can journal book a patent etc whatever you have you put paste here and that statement of research work to be undertaken in India and its relevant scientific domain develop subject area and keyword research proposal, at least brief research proposal you can mention here. Choose of institute in India if contact each consent letter from most institute. So you need, if you consent your consent letter from the scientific house institute, you can preference three institute, one to three, and to period free which period you want to come here and work in India, you can mention here. And past professional visit abroad, you have any other country, then you can mention here. So here applicant signature and hold like that forward by head of the institute is signature and stamp. So whatever your institute, by here signature is compulsory with stamp, so that you can compulsory, and list of document be submission through along with application. So you have that NOC and research proposals and higher education certificates, general publications, everything you need to mention, and your latest updated CV, passport size photos. Uh, so you can send everything by this application through, so in the DST. So along with, if you have any doubt, so you can write a mail to us, and you can write to this comment box also. We can try to find out the solution and given to as earlier. So thank you so much for the watching this video.